Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Rita, and today I will show you how to prepare this delicious fish cake. We are going to be using the following ingredients for this recipe. We need one medium-sized mackerel that has been cleaned. The intestine has been removed. We are going to be using 2 medium-sized eggs. So we need 2 eggs. We are going to be using 1/3 cup of coconut flour. We need black pepper to season this recipe. We will be using spring onion, so I'm going to be using just 1 stick of the spring onion, and I'm going to also season with the salt and other seasoning in the kitchen. First, we'll clean the fish and boil it. So after cleaning, I arrange this into the pot. Sprinkle it with salt and this no aromat seasoning. Add some onion and allow to boil. After it's finished boiling, I allow the fish to cool down a little so that I can then debone the fish. Mackerel does not have a lot of bone compared to some other very stubborn fish. So we are going to remove this bone, and you can use your hand. It's quicker with the hand. And here I'm using spoon. Just it's easy for you to see how the bones are arranged. So next we are going to be blending some of the ingredients together. Here is a can of sweet corn. It's in water, so I'm going to just rinse it once with clean water and drain the water out. So I'll transfer this to the food processor. You can use your blender. I got this grater. I don't know if I should call it grater or chopper or something, but I really like it. I'm going to be adding the 1/3 cup of coconut flour. I'm going to be adding half of the deboned fish. The reason I'm remaining the remaining half is so that we can have some fish texture like feeling when we are eating the cake. Yeah, so that's the remaining fish that I left behind. Next, I'm going to use Scotch bonnet. It's like my food is not complete without Scotch bonnet. You know, the capsaicin in the Scotch bonnet is really good for the heart. So maybe it's one of the reasons why I like adding some chili to my food. So I'm going to be using half of that, and I'm going to then blend this together. So just dear viewer, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I have new videos. Also, please comment in the comment section how your day is going. How it's going well. I'm looking forward to eating this fish akara or fish cake. So you can see that. That's looking really good. Now I'm going to be adding the seasoning before I continue the blending. Adding the no aromat powder. Add some black chili. It's just that black chili also have this tingling, calming kind of chilliness. I like adding it to food as well. I'm going to be adding sea salt and also the 2 eggs. I'm going to crack them here and just give this a quick blend. Okay, you can see that that's looking really good. We're going to transfer this blended mixture to a clean bowl so that we can add the other seasoning and other ingredients that we're going to be using. So you can see how that looks like a very good paste. You can just bake this directly. You will love the cake that comes out from baking it. So I'm going to be showing you the 2 methods, the baking method and the frying method. So now let's add the remaining fish to the mixture, the shredded onion spring, and we're just going to use a spatula to mix this together so that they mix well, just like this. And that's our cake mixture that is ready to be fried or baked. So first, let's bake some. In a clean pan, add vegetable oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil. I always like using sunflower to fry. It's because it can withstand more heat than some other vegetable oil. So now we're going to be scooping our fish cake mixture like so and transfer to the heated oil gently. It's not important that you use the sweet corn. You can use chickpea instead of the sweet corn if you don't like sweet corn. So you're just going to transfer this. I think this pan should be able to take about 6. So let's just do that. You can see I'm very gentle with the transferring of the cake mixture, the fish cake mixture into the oil. It's because it has the tendency to scatter into the oil if you're not being careful. And since not everyone has oven, some don't have a very good oven at home, so that's why I'm showing you how to fry it. Preferably I'll prefer the baking method to the frying method, because that's less stressful, to be less oily, but both absolutely taste fantastic. So after about 3 minutes of frying, we are going to flip this to the other side, so that the cooking parts, we flip it so as to cook this other part that is not cooked. So when it is ready for you to flip, you will get this golden color. And also you will fry the other side for around 3 to 4 minutes on low medium heat. You can see I nearly forgot my cake in the oil. And now it's finished frying. Just transfer everything out. For the second part, we're going to be baking the remaining cake, the fish cake mixture in the oven. So before starting to fry, you should preheat your oven to about 180 degrees. And after you've transferred the remaining mixture into the cupcake paper, brush the surface with some olive oil. This is just to give it some golden color after it has finished baking. And you bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Yeah, just 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes of baking in the oven, we're going to have this lovely cake ready to be consumed. This cake is preferably enjoyed while it's still warm, and you could let me know from the baking and the frying method which of the method you are going to be trying. See the baked one. You can see how it comes out neatly from the paper. And you can also store this in the fridge so that you just warm it the next day for breakfast. I really enjoyed this, and I also hope that you enjoy this fish cake. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You are always welcome back to watch more. You're welcome to give me suggestions on your favorite recipe. And this is my fish cake. Until next time, bye.